The sound of space.
Contrary to popular belief, space isn't completely silent. While sound waves cannot travel through the vacuum of space due to the absence of a medium, various celestial bodies and phenomena emit electromagnetic waves. Scientists have developed ways to convert these waves into sound waves that we can hear. For instance, the vibrations from Saturn's rings and radio emissions from planets are captured and translated, allowing us to listen to the cosmos.
This phenomenon reveals not only the unique environments of celestial bodies, but also provides insight into their physical compositions and the fundamental processes that occur in space. Support the channel by liking this video and follow for more awesome facts.